This 2026 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 3, water heater, refrigerator, TV, slide-out, skylight, stovetop burner, air conditioning, microwave, external shower, awning, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Winnebago Micro Mini 2108 FBS is 4,142 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.